Introduction. Speaker highlights benefits of ChatGPT. Imagine being able to complete tasks that usually take hours or even days in just minutes. That's the power of AI when combined with effective prompt engineering. In this session, we'll uncover how you can use ChatGPT to optimize tasks like report generation, data analysis, content creation, and more, making your workflow faster, smarter, and more efficient. Understanding prompts. Animation of two prompts, vague versus specific, showing the difference in outputs. The way you ask ChatGPT to perform a task can completely change the output. A vague prompt like "write a report" leads to general and often irrelevant results. Instead, being clear and specific allows you to extract precise, actionable information. Think of your prompt as an instruction manual for the AI. Business applications. Quick shots of team members generating reports, analyzing data, and drafting content using ChatGPT. From crafting compelling content to analyzing complex data, prompt engineering enables ChatGPT to cater to a variety of business tasks. The key is knowing how to tailor your instructions to get the results you need. Let's look at some examples. Advanced techniques. Split screen of a prompt being refined iteratively. Advanced prompt techniques like iterative refinement and instruction chaining let you tackle complex tasks more effectively. For instance, breaking down a task into smaller parts or specifying a role ensures the AI understands the context and provides better results. Live demo. Screen recording of ChatGPT in action with overlay text explaining each step. Let's see prompt engineering in action. We'll run through a few examples, and I encourage you to suggest your own scenarios so we can refine prompts together. Hands-on exercise. Participants collaborating with prompts displayed on their laptops. Now it's your turn. In your groups, craft a prompt for a given task and see how well it works. Experiment with refining the prompts to see how the outputs improve. Prompt engineering isn't just about getting things done faster. It's about unlocking new possibilities for innovation. With practice, you can transform how you work. Let's wrap up with any questions you have.